6 of the best docking stations for your MacBook Pro. As the MacBook Pro has evolved, it has many things to love. There have been upgrades to display, operation power, battery life, memory and storage. If you were to go back to a MacBook Pro from 15 years ago, you would be amazed at the progress that has been made in creative what is still on the most desired laptop on the market. The current MacBook Pro is not perfect, however, and it's missing a few things that we used to take the granted on the older models. For example, connector ports, whether they are a USB port and Ethernet port and even FireWire port. Remember FireWire? The side of the MacBook Pro used to give you many options to plug in different devices. Currently, the basic MacBook Pro feature two Thunderbolt 4 ports and SDXC card slot and HDMI port. This is incredibly restricted if you have various display and drivers. Plus, it cuts out the ability to use older forms of connectors like USB-A for hardware to your internet connection with Ethernet. So people have had to turn the docking station on to increase their MacBook connection abilities. Finding the right docking station can be little daunting if you are not familiar with what kind of ports you may need. After consulting view from publications of a customer alike, here are 6 different docking stations for your MacBook Pro. Can satisfy a variety of connector needs as well as budget ranges. Sonet Tech Eco 20 Thunderbolt 4 Super Dock. The latest technology connector port of the MacBook Pro is Thunderbolt 4. All thought the connector look identical previous generation of the Thunderbolt as well as the USB-C port. Thunderbolt 4 is able to transmit 14 GB per second in the both direction. To maximum the Thunderbolt 4 and is regularly the best on the market. For most people with large MacBook setup would be the Sonet Techno Eco 20 Thunderbolt 4 Super Dock. Retailing for $299.99. The dock gives you an incredibly wide variety of connectors to plug your devices into their run at top performance, earning 5-star review from both MacWorld and Apple Insider. In total, the Ego 20 Thunderbolt 4 Star Dock has 19 different ports of your devices, which is astounding. Not only does this include 2 downstream Thunderbolt 4 ports, but there are also the USB-A port or 4 USB-C port, both of the which USB 3.2 generation 2 connections. However, that's not all, and it's also equipped with a Ethernet port and HDMI 2.1 port, left and right audio out jacket, and separate jack for a microphone and headphones. Whatever device you have, the docking station is bound to have port of it. The only downside to the Eco 20 Thunderbolt 4 Super Dock is it can only handle 100 watt of power delivery. A MacBook Pro has its own charger port, but if you have a device that requires a lot of power to operate or charger, you could run into a little trouble.